So this whole video series is entitled Mind Shift. And you know that wisdom comes from entertaining an opposing point of view without the need to accept it. A lot of people, when you talk to them, they say, no, I know, you're wrong, I'm right. You know, for smart people, if you think you're a smart person, you know what you treasure most? When someone can come to shift your mind and you said, wow, I didn't see it that way before. This is a epiphanical moment for me. And you know what? That is the moment where you grow. Where you grow quickly. When we were in our school, we learn new knowledge all the time. But as you mature, there are less and less knowledge that could wow you. And when you can find someone that you can sit down and that person constantly wow you, your mind's gonna open and you're gonna have a mind shift. Growth comes from that mind shift. Today I urge you to find 3 of the smartest or wisest person you know. Not necessarily the most wealthy, not necessarily the most influential, but you consider them smart. Each time they speak, it blows your mind. Schedule a coffee meeting with them and ask them strategic questions. What do you think of? What's the best way you think I can improve myself? What do you think is wrong with me? What advice can you give me? What is the best advice you think? You ask such probing and strategic questions. I assure you, it will not be a waste of time. And when you have a mind shift, and be open about the mind shift. Smart people love to learn. Foolish people think they already know. Go out there and get your mind shifted.